Hi guys, it's Polkadot Fanboy here. I'm coming at you with a very quick Bitcoin video on 3 possible scenarios that I think are going to happen not are going to happen, that could happen based on the current market situation. Because as we know in trading and investing, nothing is guaranteed. So, as we can see, Bitcoin is breaking down, and we know that based off of our Elliott wave analysis, thanks to my favorite YouTuber, one of my favorite YouTubers, Michael Pizzino, that we are in a fifth wave of the bull market, the fifth and final wave. But inside that fifth and final wave, we have another 5 smaller waves. Now, from the 56k bottom to our last high would be our first wave inside of a fifth wave. And this current correction is the second wave, the correctory wave. Now, obviously, we're looking for a bottom anywhere above 56k, so somewhere from 58k all the way to 65k, before we start our third wave up. So where's this bottom going to come in? Well, I'm going to use a little bit of my own intuition and backtesting here. Now, this theory right here is completely my own and has nothing to do with anyone else, so it may be a completely different to what you hear all the large influencers saying. Just wanted to say a quick special thank you to Cowboy Trades for basically helping me find the bull market support band indicator, as he used this a lot in his videos. But anyway, if we have a look here, the bull market support band has pretty much been our support as soon as we broke out of our October lows down here. Now, this was when the bull market really kicked off. I know a lot of people, including Jason Pizzino, one of my other favorite crypto YouTubers, reckons the bull market started here. But the thing is, everyone was still bearish through here, and we were still breaking below the bull market support band. It was only this period here where the majority got bullish. Obviously, much later than your institutions / most experienced traders. But anyway, ETF correction, we came to just above the bull market support band, and our recent correction, again, to just above the bull market support band. Now, based on what Jason Pizzino has been saying, he thinks right now we are probably, based on time analysis, going to see a much longer drawn out consolidation. Now, you can obviously go watch all of his videos. I've got his channel over here as to why he thinks that. But basically, if we have a look here, from the low, our first low, we came to make similar to what really a V-shaped recovery, and if we basically break the bull market into halves and we look at the 2023 versus the end of 2022 to the end of 2023 versus the end of 2023 to where we are right now, we take that as our first correction and we tie it up to this one. Very quick dip, got bought up very quickly. We take the June correction and we tie it up to this one. We obviously came down for a bit longer, but we still got bought up quite quickly. So what I think this third correction here would potentially be more like this correction here. So 17th of August, dipped below the bull market support band. 16th of October, got back above it. That's going to be another 2 whole months from when we dipped below it. And based on where price is right now, it's not very far to go. It's only another 2 and a bit percent. Bitcoin could easily do that by the time you're watching this video or in the next couple of days. 2 months from now brings us out to the middle of August, which, as Jason Pizzino has been saying, would probably fit in with where the macro cycle is playing out. So what would I be looking for to confirm or invalidate my 3 theories? Well, our first theory is that we get a very fast bounce, similar to this one, and similar to this one here. So I would be looking for this daily candle right now, or at most maybe in the next 3 days, to get a very fast tweezer bottom / V-shaped recovery. We can either touch the top of the bull market support band or just miss it. Maybe we could go through it and touch the bottom, but we just need to have that really quick recovery. And what would that look like? So once we have that really quick recovery, I want to see Bitcoin consolidate into a higher zone than our previous consolidation. So if we do have this V-shaped recovery, I think it's very likely we'll end up consolidating 67K to 70K, or better yet, consolidate above 70K, which is what Michael Pizzino has been talking about. He wants to see us consolidate above the previous all-time high from the last cycle of around 69K, because consolidating at an all-time high is much stronger than consolidating below it. So if I wanted to see a new all-time high in the next maybe 2 weeks, that is what I want to see. Second scenario is we don't make that V-shaped recovery and we're down for maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks. And what would I think that would look like? Well, I would think that would look like breaching the bottom of the bull market support band with daily closes, but maybe just 1, 2, maybe just 3 daily closes. So in terms of price action, first scenario, we might see a quick dip to 63K or 61K. Absolutely no closes below 61K. Second scenario, we're going to see a dip, a couple of days in the 63K to 61K, no more than 2 or 3 daily closes from 60K to 61K, and maybe some wicks down into the 59s. I really would not want to see 59K get broken, because then, in my opinion, that would put this wave 5 theory to this entire Elliott wave analysis, in my opinion, would not be as clean anymore. Obviously, I'm going to wait for the experts, Michael Pizzino, Jason Pizzino, and Cowboy Trades to come out, and they've been trading for much longer than I have. Maybe they'll come out and say that, you know, it's okay if we make a double bottom, or as long as we have no weekly closes there, but below 59K, a little wick is fine. I don't know. But what I'm saying is that's the second scenario. The third scenario, as I'm saying, is that we see a drawn out consolidation 2 months below the bull market support band. So from here, we went from 27K down to a wick to 24K, so a 10% correction. Is that 10%? I don't even know. Brain not working today. Didn't sleep all last night. Sorry, guys. So 27K to 25K. That's pretty much 10%. Plus, I don't know, a wick a bit lower. What would that look like now? So if we were to come below the bull market support band, the bottom is at 61K. So we would consolidate maybe 59K to 60K. Or the bull market support band, being a lagging indicator, would keep moving up. And let's say instead of being 63K to 61K, it moves up to 64K to 62K. So consolidation below the bull market support band could be, say, 61K-ish, which would still keep us above this bottom here and keep the macro wave count in play. Who knows? That is my third theory, but all of my theories pretty much depends on how Bitcoin is going to react to the bull market support band in the coming hours, days, and weeks. Thank you all for watching. Best of luck with all your trading and investing. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on the market, and I will see you next time.